Imagine living in a world where your messages, directions, and even an AI assistant appear right in front of your eyes without ever pulling out a phone. At Meta Connect 2025, Mark Zuckerberg made this vision a reality by unveiling the Ray-Ban display glasses. These aren't your typical smart glasses. They include integrated screens, cameras, audio capabilities, and a cutting-edge neural wristband that enables you to manage everything with little hand gestures. For the first time, Meta has created a wearable gadget that feels like the future by combining fashion, technology, and artificial intelligence. So let's discuss what the hype is about. The Ray-Ban display is a pair of stylish glasses built in partnership with Ray-Ban, but inside the familiar design hides a cutting-edge display. When you wear them, you can see AI-powered responses, notifications, navigation indicators, and even conversation captions directly on the lens. These glasses look sleek and natural, meaning you could wear them in your everyday life without attracting attention. Meta paired them with a neural band, a wristband that tracks muscle impulses from your arm, to create an even more futuristic experience. It picks up the tiniest electrical signals from your muscles using electromyography or EMG. This allows you to scroll, select, and control the display with tiny, almost invisible gestures. Now there's no need to tap the glasses or use a phone. It's as if you're controlling technology with your mind, giving a glimpse of how humans may one day interact with machines. Now let's dive deeper into the key features that make the Ray-Ban display glasses so unique. The built-in display is the start of the show. When you require updates, it can display them quickly because it is positioned just off to the side in the right lens, not in the way of your main view. The display makes sure you stay connected without interruptions, whether it's a notification from Instagram, a WhatsApp message, or navigation arrows directing your movements. Voice and AI assistants play a central role too. By placing information and responses directly in your field of sight, the glasses are made to function as a direct interface with Meta's AI. Technology is designed to offer rapid access in a natural and simple manner, eliminating the need for external devices. As a result, communication is easier, interactions go more smoothly, and the whole experience is better incorporated into day-to-day activities. Cameras are another important part of the design. You can use them to take pictures or videos to broadcast live to social media, or share in real time during a video conversation. These cameras are a part of a more refined system made for everyday usage, in contrast to earlier smart glasses that felt experimental. Entertainment hasn't been ignored either. You may use the built-in speakers to take calls or listen to music or podcasts thanks to the glasses' audio playback feature. You may use little finger movements to change the volume or skip tracks with the neural band. This turns them into a wearable entertainment system along with a communication tool. Meta made sure to introduce a product that was ready for consumers in terms of availability and hardware. The Ray-Ban display glasses are priced at $799, which includes the neural band. The battery has a practical lifespan of up to 6 hours of mixed use, and it can be extended to about 30 hours with a portable charging case. The neural band itself lasts up to 18 hours, enough for a full day of use. Durability is also considered as the band remains safe from sweat and splashes because it is IPX7 water resistant. This rollout shows Meta is serious about making these glasses a global product, not just a tech demo. Beyond the features and specs, let's talk about why this matters. Mark Zuckerberg has been open about his vision of the future, and the Ray-Ban display glasses are at the heart of it. He predicts smartphones will soon be replaced by gadgets like this. People will wear their information rather than spend their days looking down at a screen. The glasses provide a more natural heads-up way of interacting with technology. Recall how MP3 players, cameras, and landlines have been replaced by smartphones. Similar to this, Zuckerberg believes that smart glasses will eventually become a mandatory gadget. This is a step towards Meta's long-term goal of augmented reality, which is a world in which digital data and the real world coexist smoothly. People may remain present while yet being connected to the digital world, rather than getting lost in their displays. Of course, there are flaws in every technology. Zuckerberg had a few hiccups during the live demonstration, including Wi-Fi problems and failed attempts to make video calls using the wristband gesture. These problems were quickly pointed out by critics, and privacy advocates are still complaining about wearable cameras. However, despite these obstacles, the overall reaction has been that Meta made a big step forward. Unlike many futuristic prototypes, these glasses are polished enough to sell to the public, and that alone is a milestone. The Ray-Ban display glasses are a symbol of a new era in many ways. They are Meta's most daring attempt so far to combine wearable technology, AI, and fashion. They provide tangible advantages to customers, such as accessibility, communication, entertainment, and convenience. They provide Meta the opportunity to take the lead in wearable AI and augmented reality, clearing the way for a time when smartphones might not be necessary. They also bring up questions and opportunities for society, such as how we will connect, work, and live in a world where technology is everywhere. Mark Zuckerberg closed Meta Connect 2025 with a strong message. This is not just about glasses. It's about the next generation of personal computing. He predicted that within the next decade, smart glasses like the Ray-Ban display will replace the smartphone as our primary device. Whether or not that happens as quickly as he imagines, one thing is certain. The unveiling of the Ray-Ban display glasses isn't just a product launch. It's a statement about where technology is heading. Do you think they'll really replace smartphones one day, or would you rather stick with the devices we already use? Share your thoughts in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe for more such updates.